In the distant reaches of the cosmos, beyond time as we understand it, a cosmic event is quietly set in motion. Two galaxies, vast, ancient, and filled with billions of stars, are on a collision course. The Milky Way, our home, and Andromeda, our closest galactic neighbor. Right now, they are still 2.5 million light-years apart, but in the grand ballet of the universe, even giants are destined to meet. It began billions of years ago. Both galaxies born from primordial clouds of gas and dark matter, forged by gravity, sculpted by time. Each one evolved, birthing stars, planets, and possibly life. Now, like dancers pulled together by invisible strings, they inch closer. At 110 kilometers per second, their approach seems slow, but unstoppable, and in 4 billion years, they will touch. But what does it mean when galaxies collide? It's not an explosion. It's not destruction in the way Hollywood imagines it. It is chaos with elegance. As Andromeda meets the Milky Way, gravitational forces will tear through the fabric of both galaxies. Their spiral arms will twist, stars flung into new orbits, gas clouds compressed into firestorms of new stars. Some black holes may merge, others may awaken, devouring stars in a hunger unknown. And what about us? Our solar system, just one of hundreds of billions of star systems, will likely survive. The space between stars is so vast that actual collisions are rare. But our place in the galaxy will shift. The night sky will never look the same. For those alive, if any remain, the sight will be both terrifying and beautiful. Imagine a sky not dominated by darkness, but by swirling galactic arms, glowing nebulae, and a galaxy stretching across the horizon. But will we be there to witness it? 4 billion years is an unfathomable span. Species rise and fall in the blink of a galactic eye. Will humanity survive our own self-destruction? Will we spread across the stars? Will machines carry our memory, or will the Earth be silent once more? Perhaps another intelligence, born elsewhere, will witness the sky's transformation and wonder, who once lived here? Eventually, the two galaxies will merge. No longer separate, they will become one. A massive elliptical galaxy, nicknamed milkomeda. It will be larger, older, a new cosmic entity, forged from chaos. And in this galaxy, new stars will shine, new planets may form, and maybe, just maybe, new life will emerge. Not as a result of destruction, but of transformation. We are a species obsessed with the now, with seconds, minutes, and years. But the universe operates on a different scale. And in that scale, this collision is not an end. It's a new beginning. In a universe where everything changes, even galaxies must evolve. And as we look to the sky today, we are not just seeing stars. We are seeing our future, a future written in motion, etched into gravity itself. This is the day the galaxies collide.